Hi there, my name's Trev. I'm just doing a quick video about passions. And one of the things I'm passionate about is animals and animal welfare. And I'm at a place called Yorkshire Wildlife Park in the UK. It's a lovely, lovely place, as you can see. We've got a polar bear behind us, and this place is really good for conservation. They've got polar bears which they've rescued, they've got brown bears which they've rescued from a museum, and they've got lions which they've rescued from a place in Romania, and they're really good at creating natural habitats for the animals to live in. There's also a rhino here, there's a cheetah, and there's also various animals. And as far as I can see, it's a fantastic environment for them to be in. Okay.